Red light sleeping. All right. Well, we're out on Pewaukee Lake today. Trying to get a little bit of a ride in. We haven't been on a four-wheeler since when?
I don't know.
Oh, Black Friday. That was the last day after Thanksgiving. We were all kind of bored. I wanted to go out fishing maybe. But it's going to be in the 40s today. It's the 20th of December, or January, I believe. I believe it's January. Yeah, January 20th. I think they had a fishing tournament out here earlier. But we were going to go for a ride. Maggie Moo had all of her tests this week for school. She's so happy to be done with that.
So happy.
We're going to go out for a long-awaited ride. Get a couple more in, maybe even before the. Don't be afraid to use four-wheel drive, Meg.
I already got it on.
All right. Now remember, when you're little crash course here, Meg. I think it's one of your first times really out on the ice driving. If we come up to somebody, don't point right at them when you're trying to stop, because there's a good chance you'll slide right through. At least your first couple times, so you start getting the hang of it. Try to stop on snow. Obviously, that'll help you. But rules also say 10 miles an hour when you're around any vehicles, people out on the ice. Okay? We should be good. Let's go have some fun. We'll get this out of the way right away. You want to do one right away? I can get a picture of you. Hit the gas. There you go. All right. You got to remember, too, if you do them sometimes, you get going too fast, it will flip over. All right? I know. I've been there. All right, Meg, let's work our way left and head out that way. Watch out for that tip up, Meg. Oh, the crackling.
I don't hear anything.
No, but I do, and it'll still be in the video. I should have threw a couple of my poles in my thing, Meg, and brought them out here. I mean, got them in the truck.
Well, we need a hole.
What's that?
Well, we need a hole.
Yeah, but there's a lot of holes out here that people are not using anymore. And nothing's froze over, so as long as they were drilled today, they'll be open. They'll stay open all day. Oh, I got a tip up in front of me. Be careful. thought about bringing the grill out here and then just grilling out this afternoon, but I figure we'll go up by Mug Shots or something, give them a little business and have some hamburgers up there. That little camper ice fishing shack has been out here a long time. I've seen that when we were out here, when I used to have mine out here. Guys having any luck? Just got set up. Yeah, beautiful day for it. Get the kids out of the house anyways. Good luck. We'll see what they get. Probably a bass. He's in some pretty big weeds here. Oh, it might be a northern. Oh, must have missed them. Must have missed them. Still got the minnow on there. I'll bet it was a bass.